want to do something?
Studying.
All day?
It's due tomorrow. What's up?
Running away?
Right. Okay. Good luck.
Where's my beanie? I let you borrow it and you never gave it back.
Top shelf, I think.
And my head torch?
The head torch is mine. I got it for my birthday.
Okay, can I borrow it then? I need to use it somewhere anyway.
Thought you were running away. Usually when people run away, they don't come back.
Yeah?
So then it wouldn't really be borrowing. It would be taking.
So can I take it?
Yes, you can. I think it's in one of those drawers.
No way.
Creature Clash. Oh my god. Damn, I didn't even know it was in there.
Totally forgot we made these. I haven't seen them in years. This is actually so cool though. It was so fun when we used to do stuff like this. Found it.
So, where are you gonna live?
Probably Portal Mountain.
What?
Never mind.
Oh, okay. And for food?
Oh, I got some chips, jerky. I got some seeds that will eventually grow. The weather looks like it's gonna be pretty good.
It's Liam. Sorry, I gotta run through notes with him. Good luck. Yo! And what did you say though? Hi.
Hey.
You forgot your bag.
Oh, sorry.
Thought you were running away. Oh. That's a shame because I was kind of thinking I might run away.
Where?
Oh, I don't know, maybe like the Rainbow Hedge?
Wait, you know what? What?